All right, so we're going to be doing 9-7, number 8B. Well, I'm going to start with A, though, because I first need all the data in. So go to Stat, Edit, go up to the top of each of your lists and clear them out, and then type in your stuff. So number 8, you're typing in 1900, then 1915, 1930, 1945, 1960, 1990, and 2005. And then put in the life expectancy, 47.3, 54.5, 59.7, 65.9, 69.7, 75.4, 77.9. Okay, so this should be your table, and we want to find a logarithm equation in the form L equals A natural log of T plus B. So I need to, this is my input. Technically, T is my input, and L is my output. But if I want to do it wants to find a logarithm expression. Right, okay, so if I want the natural log then. So I'm going to go to Stat, Calc, go down to natural log regression, hit enter. Make sure it's the two lists you want. I'm going to store this. That was bad, okay. I'm going to store this in Y1, calculate. Okay, and I can put all these numbers in. So L is going to equal, my coefficient is B, 556.306. And then I want natural log of T, we'll use the same variable, plus, and then my y-intercept will be negative 4,149.707. Alright, so that is my regression equation. Use it to estimate the life expectancy in 1975. So if T equals 1975, alpha y1, plug in 1975, I have a life expectancy of 71.73 years, about. Okay, part B is find a square root equation. So I want L equals A square root of T plus B. So Stat, Calc. So now we're looking at our things. So I have linear regression, quadratic, cubic, quartic, linear regression, natural log, exponential, power regression, and logistic, which is just regular log, sine, and then manual fit, quick plot. Okay. I want to relate the square root of an input to the output. So I can go back to my lists. These are my inputs in list 1. So I'm going to go over to another list, and I'm going to program it to say square root of list 1. So every value here is now the square root of list 1. So if I want to relate in a linear fashion, because this has no power on it, the square root of an input to the output, I can now do linear regression with list 3 versus list 2. So I'm going to go to quadratic, linear. I want list 2 as my x. Nope, list 3. List 3 is my x. List 3 is my xy. Y is still list 2. I'll store this as y2. Calculate. Okay, and this is my graph. So I'm going to have L equal, my coefficient will be 25.158. This will be the square root of t plus negative 1,046.375 because it rounds up. I'm just doing 3 decimal places. Okay, and then also use it for 1975. So I'm going to do alpha y2, plug in 1975. So when T is 1975, L of 1975 is going to be 48,641.57. Is that really what the book says? No, the book does not have that. The book has the same equation I have. So why is mine not saying 71 years? It should be in Y2 because that's the right